Let's take a look at one of my favorite selection tools, the Quick Selection tool. You'll find it located in the same well as the Magic Wand, and in fact, it pretty much replaces the Magic Wand for ease of use. What you do is you start to click and drag inside the image, and it automatically detects the edges for you as you do so. You can go ahead and freely click, and it does a great job. If it were to pick up an area you didn't want, holding down the Option or Alt key will subtract. To add, there's no need for a modifier key, as clicking simply will add to the existing selection. When you have a selection you're happy with, be sure to click the Refine Edge button. This allows you to use the Smart Radius option so it'll better analyze the edges, and then you can expand or contract as needed and pick up any contrast to clean up stray edges. That did a very nice job there. If necessary, I can always subtract a little bit. Option drag or Alt paint over that little seam, analyzed it and tightened it up nicely. And I'll go ahead and apply that as a layer mask, giving me a perfectly cut out flower. So there's the Quick Selection tool, and enhanced using the Refine Edge command. It really does a great job.